Morning all. Welcome to Traffic IT Solution. So today our topic is how to create the location using the Redwood in Oracle Vision application, and latest version is 25C. So what is the location? A location identifies physically address of a workforce structure such as a department or a position. You can also create location to enter the address of external organizations that you want to maintain, such as employment agencies. As per the business customer requirement, we should have the at least one primary address for the every organization. That is for the physically for the employees or and company like headquarters also. So that's why every organization it should have the at least one location. So how to create the location in the Oracle Cloud HCL with Redwood options. So create a locations in Oracle Fusion, sign in the Oracle application and set up and maintenance work area or under the My Clients group. Search for the launch the maintenance manage location task. Then click on create, enter the details like the location name, code, address associated with the location set. After providing the required information and click on submit, the location is created available for you to configure the application. Below are the details with navigation. First, we will discuss about the theoretically. Later, I will go to into application. I will create the one location. Sign into the Oracle application. Go to the navigator, My Clients group, workforce structure. Then search the locations. If you want any business object, we can search the locations or jobs or grades. But right now we are creating the locations. So I have searched the location. Then find the location task exactly with the like reduce options. Manage locations. Click on the add location. So once you have selected the location page, click on the create icon. Begin. If you have significant number of locations to create, you can use the load by spreadsheet loader or through HDL also we can load. So from this is the as a functional configuration, we will use the Redwood options. But if we are loading like as for the customer requirement, if we want to load bulk of data, so we will use the like tools like spreadsheet loader or HDL. Based on the tool, we can load the one-time process bulk of the location. Once we have selected the add location, we will select provide the mandatory fields like effective start date, location set, and the name and code. Then we will provide the address information. And address information like country and address line one, city, state, and postal code is required for the mandatory for the US country. So once we have created the enter the required data, we will enter the all required information. Then finally, we will select the submit option, submit the location. So there is a submit button is there. Once we have submitted the location, so it will ask the confirmation. Then we can submit it. Once the location is successfully created, we will again verify under the like under the micro group workforce structure. Then we can set the location business object. So whatever we have created the location, then we can set the location. If we want to change some information, we will correct or update mode using. So now I am going to the application. Please log in the application. Click on sign in. So as for the document, we will go to the two ways: setting and the actions, setup and maintenance. So setting and maintenance, setup and maintenance. Click on the task name, search. Here we will select the task name as manage location. So this is the one way of identify the location business object. Second way is navigator, my clients group, workforce structure. So here search for the task name. If you want to select the any type of business object, maybe positions, grades, department, positions, whatever you are doing the configuration, you will search the here. Or directly you can select the positions here also. Jobs, location. Suppose I am selecting the location. So location. Just click on the location. So for the Redwood, it will take the some time. So here we will search the existing like or location names. So whatever we have configured the location name, we can search the location here by using the name or code or city or other address. So for now, what I am doing, I am creating the new location as per the business requirement. So it will take some time. So here, this is for effective start date. By default, it will be considered as a January 1st, 1951, or as per the business requirement, we will enter the effective start date. Effective end date by default is the like December 31st, 4712. Action reason why we are creating the new location. Creating new office location, updating region. So if we want any additional actions, we will create the like action regions first, then we can assign here. So status always it should be active. Here common set. So by default common is the C date. There is a two common sets is there. One is for the common, second one is the enterprise. So by default we will take the common. So here I am entering the location name is US New Jersey. So this is the location name. Maximum letters is the 60 characters. And the location code also I am taking the same. Name maybe it will have the space, but so code we don't consider as a space. So is this location is a employee also? Yes, if we can select. Or Suppose this location for the only headquarters. So we will select the no. But this location we will assign to the employees also. We can select the yes. So employees, how many hours are working? Standard working. 40 hours. How this like frequency as per the business requirement, we will enter like weekly or monthly, bi-weekly, semi yearly. So here 40 hours is there. So we are selecting the weekly. Ship to site, yes. Receiving site, office site, yes. Bill to site. If you want to send any bill to specific address, yes, we can enter it, yes. Description. This is for this is the office location for US country. We will enter the description, but this is not mandatory. So what is the address, main address? So I am selecting the country is United States, US. So here it is showing the logo also, US, United States. Next, address line 1, we will enter. I am entering the Grove. So this is like line 2 is not required, but anyway I am entering. Line 3 not required. Like zip code is mandatory. So I am selecting the zip code 07044. Okay, New Jersey. Automatically city, state, county. This is not a country, this is a county. Automatically it will display based on the zip code. This is the geography configuration. Based on the geography configuration, automatically system will have the city and state, county. What is the like time zone? If you have business requirement, we will enter it UTC time. Otherwise, not required. So below are the some additional like flex fields configuration. These are all like not required. So wherever the mandatory data is required, we will enter it. So this is not required. Only we want to enter the company location basic details. So that means effective start date, status, location set, name and code, and company address. So this is the Redwood option. But before normal responsive EA, we don't have some additional features. For example, employee location is there. This one, if we are creating normal application without Redwood, we cannot able to see this option like employee location, no RS. And the lookup and feel also, this is very good. It's compared to normal responsive UI. Redwood option, it is very good. If we want to do any additional page validations also, we can use the VBCS. So now, whatever the like business requirement is there, I have entered that successfully. Now I am submitting the location details. So just I have selected the location code. Click on submit. If any like mandatory fields missing, automatically system will throw the error also. But now location is created successfully because we have added the all location details. Now I am going to again from starting again. Navigator, my clients group, workforce structure. I am searching the location. So whatever we have created the location based on the name or code or city, we will search here. So I am selecting the here location code, US, New Jersey. So here I am able to see the location details. Just I am status it is showing active. Just I am selecting the name. So in future, suppose this location is changing from one address to other address. So we want to do the some updates based on the business requirement with a new effective start date. So as per the Oracle standard, configuration date we will take the January 1st, 1951. Now this location was changing from one location to other location. Here it is having the two modes it is having. One is correct and update mode. Correct means so it won't affect anything of the dates. Just we will correct the data. So if we have done something by mistake name, we will correct the data. But update mode, it will be we should select the new effective start date. So that means now this location is it belongs to the New Jersey, but this company it is moving to the other location. So I will select the new address here. So here I am changing the location, zip code I am changing. So from this location to this location, it is moving this company. So I am selecting this one. Automatically, city was changing. So this is new effective start date. What is the effective start date? This is required. If I submitted without affecting without required fields data, it will give the error. So I am selecting the submit button. So it is giving the error. Enter a required value. So that's why this is the required effective start date. So maybe new location address is the September 1st. I am selecting the September 1st. So this was it was moved from one city to other city. Now click on the submit. So now this location was updated the successfully. Once we have submitted the as per the updated location, the geo code identifier missing in the home and work address. Check the geo code identifier available for the location. So there is a no geo code configuration in the application. So we should select the valid geographic code here. So this is the invalid. We should select the correct zip code. So I am selecting the different location zip code. So this is the Cook IL. So state is IL. City is this one. County also it was changed. If geography it was not configured correctly, it will give the error. Click on submit. So we have created the successfully location and we have updated the location also. So here same location it is showing two times. Just I am selecting this one. So Redwood pages are it is very slow. So maybe coming like WhatsApp it will have updated. So now it is showing the only one location with latest city. So that's why once we have done the configuration, always we should refresh the application. Now it is showing summary of changes, address after, before. This was located before New Jersey. Now this was located in the IL. So basic details. This is the basic detail. This is for one location configuration. If we want to do the multiple locations, we will use the loaders, right? SSDL or HDL. Thank you guys. I hope this video it is very useful in the Redwood option. So I will come back again with a new configuration. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please reach out satvik@hcm@email.com. Thank you for watching this video.